Hello students, my name is Prerna and I'm your EVS teacher. And today from your EVS book, we are going to be reading chapter number 11. So what is this chapter about? It is about animals around us. Now you can see it says, this is a small activity. Have you seen these animals around you? Name them. Alright. So this is a cow. C-O-W, cow. What is this? This is a cat. It makes the sound of meow, right? Cat, C-A-T, cat. Then you have this bird. It's green in color, has a red color beak. What is it called? A parrot. Then you have a bee here. And then you have a dog and a squirrel. Alright, now let us start reading this chapter. We see animals all around us. Animals are of different kinds. Some are big and some are small. Like squirrel, it is a small animal, right? Then you have some animals which we generally see on the streets, like a dog or a cat or a cow. So it is better that you do not touch them. By saying that it is better you do not touch them means that it is better that you do not trouble them. Never ever trouble a stray animal. So how do we become friends with these animals? That is, that you can feed them from a distance. Some people bring stray animals home and they become as pets. We can also buy pets from a pet shop. But a pet, it is like a family member. I'm sure most of you have a dog or a cat or maybe a parrot as your pet. But then that pet is like your family member or is your family member. So the pet must be taken care properly. You should never tease them, you should never hit them, and you should ensure like the manner in which you eat your food regularly, even your pets should be given proper food and timely they should be fed. So you can see this is a pet shop, all right? And what pet this boy has at his home? He has fish as his pets, and these are kept in an aquarium. So now we talk about different kinds of animals. The first is domestic animals. Some animals are useful to us for some activities, like for example, you can say for wearing wool or maybe for taking care of the farm. These are called as domestic animals. Cows, buffaloes, horses, camels, sheep, they are domestic animals and they help us in many ways. How? Animals and birds, they give us meat, eggs and milk, which people then sell it in the market and they earn money. Elephants, horses, camels and donkeys, they carry load for us. Sheep, it gives us food, and honeybee gives us honey. Then you have animals in the wild, that is the animals which are there in the forest. They are called as wild animals. Alright. Now we talk about the homes where animals live in. So like in our chapter, in one of our previous chapter, we spoke about different kind of houses like pakka house, kacha house. Remember? Temporary house, moving house. So for animals also there are certain homes which in which they are kept. Like a cow, it is kept in a shed. So this is what a shed looks like. It is the roof of the shed. It is generally made of dry grass or maybe straws. Then you have birds which live in a nest, and then you have rabbits which live in a burrow. So they dig a hole in the ground and that is where rabbits live. Owl, it lives in a tree. And then you have a lion, it lives in a den. And hens, they live in a coop. So it's kind of a net structure that they live in, and it's called as a coop. Horses, they live in a stable, and a dog, it lives in a kennel. And always remember, whenever you see the home of an animal, like you see a nest on the tree, please do not ever destroy it. Would you like if someone comes and let's say breaks the window of or the glass of your house, would you like it? No. So why to destroy someone's house, right? So whenever you see a nest or something, you should never ever touch it. All right. Then what animals eat? So there are some animals which eat grass, leaves or fruits of a plant. Then there are some animals which kill and eat each other, and they are called as hunters. For example, you can see a lion, it is attacking a deer. Then there are some animals that eat insects like a frog. All right. Now, very important, save animals. Some people kill wild animals only for fun. When any animal is killed in large numbers, it becomes rare. There are some of the rare Indian animals. We should protect them. So see, these are the rare wild animals. So can you imagine that the number of rhinoceros or tigers or wild ass or donkeys, the numbers of these animals has reduced considerably over years. Why? Because people are killing them unnecessarily or maybe just for fun. So you should never ever kill any animal, and these are some other rare animals. So you have headed duck, you have gharial. So please make sure that you protect the animals around you and you love them. All right, thank you so much.